What's going on, family? Black Finish checking in. So I am reconstructing the welding skid frame. I'm actually making two designs. I got the first design already down, which I've already seen it. Now I'm working on the side design. So for different welders that like their welder machine to be completely at the back, I'm coming up with a new construction, so that way, depends on how you have your rig set up, you can have the welder at the back, you can have it in the middle, so it just depends on how you want it. So I wanted to make multiple options, so that way I can help different people, because I know everybody got a different setup, but most trucks are still the same as far as the frame. So the frame is still the same. The only thing I'm basically changing is the configuration of the welding skid. So I'm working on it now, giving you a small update, let you see what it's looking like before I get in depth. Hold on.